Hi, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to create particle collision in Tyflow. We will get straight into it. First we will start by creating a rectangular box, say like that. That's the base. Next we will create a sphere, such, like that. We will place the sphere um, on the rectangular box that way. So it's going to here, so that we place it right in the middle and lift it up so that goes there. Yep, that looks pretty good. Next we are going to create an animation scene. So to do that we will click Auto key here at the bottom, and this red interface will appear. You can see that you are in animation mode if this bar turns red. First select the sphere, and then we will start at 1. Move the sphere to the middle, and we will have that at 10. After that we will move it again to the end, and we will have that at 20 and 20, and we will just keep repeating the process until the end of the time frame. This will pretty much determine what the sphere will be doing from start to finish, which is pretty much just rolling left to right on the animation bar. And here we are, that's the end of it. And once you are done, click Auto key again, and you're pretty much done with the simple animation. And this is just the basic of our animation for the next part of the work. Once this is done, this would set the parameters of our next exercise. So we will begin by giving it a Tyflow. We'll just whack it over here. And we would open Tyflow editor here. Just move it to here so that we can look at it a bit better. Start by giving it birth, and we would add position object underneath that, and we will give it a shape. And here we are. In the birth section we will change n to 0, and we will create the grass. Now probably need a lot of grass on this because we want to create a very dense appearance of the grass, so probably need about say 2000. Yeah. Next, under position objects, select the faces. We would choose in location, we will pick selected faces, and we will select the box, and in the modifier list we would click on edit poly, and in the selection of edit poly we will pick polygon, and it will tell, and we will tell them to select this face here. And then after that we go back to position object, and we will click on pick, and we will click on that. As you can see, the surface is highlighted here, and this is pretty much, the dots is pretty much where we're saying the grass would be. So under shape, we would go down to the 3D default list, and under there would have an option with grass long. So we'll pick that one, and in display, give the grass a green color so that it looks, and then we will pick geometry, and as you can see, that's where the grass is at the moment. It's probably not looking like grass at the moment. We probably need to go back to in the shape, probably need to give it 300% more, and in the birth probably need to give it a lot more, say 20,000. Yeah, that's looking much better now. Yep. So after that, we can have a play around with the animation. Yep. It's rolling onto the grass. So then, at the moment, it's not much of an effect on the grass. It's just pretty flat. So we need to give it a collision for it, and make the ball has an effect on the grass. So we'll give it a wobble effect on it. So we'll drag that under shape. So it's pretty much telling them to go across it. And we'll give another action here, which is collision. Now we'll have it as a separate event on its own. So we'll drag it here. What we can do is we will join wobble with collision. And in collision, we will pick and choose the sphere. And in geometry, and here we'll pick, we'll pick the geometry. Yeah, you can see that's happening at the moment. And the grass is on impact. We can probably hide the display geometry so that we can remove that, and we can now see the grass is having an impact from the sphere. And this is a very quick, simple animation of showing how by using Tyflow and particle collide we can achieve this kind of effect. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.